Hey, I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about a push-pull-rotate style doorknob that I installed in my house last year. I feel like I've been using it long enough now that I can confidently recommend it, and you can find a link to it down in the description. There's a whole world of doorknob options out there, different colors, different shapes. What I didn't know until recently though is that there's this weird breed of doorknob called push-pull-rotate. This one's made by Brinks. I bought it for around $25, and as the name would tell you, you can use it by either pushing, pulling, or rotating it. Installation was pretty easy. You do have to replace both the knob and the latch though, since they're uniquely made to work together. They make a version of this with a keyed lock or no lock or a privacy lock like this one that's good for bathrooms or bedroom doors. That's all there is to it. It's a relatively minor upgrade that's had a big impact in my house. You can find a link to this push-pull-rotate knob in the description, and you can find thousands of reader recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.